Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, based on what time you kings and queens are actually looking at this information. And I'm actually going to do this quick video on how we are making money in the Forex cryptocurrency market. All right, because sometimes you guys might be seeing the profits, the end result, but it may be a disconnect between the end result and how exactly we're making money. So I'm doing this quick video to go over that. All right, so what I'm actually going to do right now is share my screen. Perfect. So once you get started with us, I Am Mastery Academy, you have access to different tools and different strategies. What I'm actually clicking right now with the elite package that has everything is swipecoin. All right, so you click on swipecoin. All right, now right over here you see a signal. Right over here in the alerts, you see BTC USD price point and everything. And what happened is it said it was a buy. So the arrow represents when the signal was called out, which is right over here, right? That's the arrow, boom, right here. So usually what I do, I put this right over here, all right? Pretty much is just an indicator line, horizontal indicator line. I'm gonna put it as gold, all right? But since that one is gold, let's put it as another color. All right, a nice pink. So at this point right here, the first thing I do when I go into it, because initially it's like a candlestick, which is kind of like this, but I actually change it to a line. So it's less noise, less confusion. So pretty much what happened is they call the signal. So if I were to get in the signal and I got out around right over here, pretty much that's 267 pips or points. Pretty much the difference between the entry and where the market is right now, that's pretty much the amount, 267. What we're doing right now, this is Bitcoin. This is Bitcoin against the US dollar, and it's a 15-minute chart. So each candle that you've seen earlier represents 15 minutes of time. So I'm going to pretty much explain how you can make money from that, or how we are making money. So just in terms of trading, there's three mainly different lot sizes. All right, lot sizes is pretty much how much you are risking per. Is pretty much how much you are risking per pip or point. All right. So lot size is right over here. All right. All right, lot sizes right over here. It's three different ones. It's a 0.01. It's a 0.1. And is a 1.0, all right? So 1.01 means it's 10 cents per pip or point. Pretty much the pip is, I call it a point to make it easy for you guys, because it's, just how we look at time, right? Time is representative of time is represented based on, minutes and hours. But what we use is pips or points, right? What we use is either pips or we use points. So based on that, we have 10 cents, which is a micro. We have 0.01, which is pretty much $1 per point or pip the market moves. That's a mini. And we have $1 per pip right over here. And that's right over here, we have a 1.0, which is actually a standard. So it means, that's the lot sizes. All right, and that's 10 cents. That's $10 per pip. It's called a standard. All right. So when we calculated, we got about 200. Say, let's give a nice, full number. We have 250 points. All right, 250 points. So based on that, if we were to get in a 0.01, it's 10 cents per pip or point that the market move. That will be $25. And it's based on our account size. If we were to get in, I'll put mini. If we were to get in for a lot size of mini and it's $1 per point, what do we have? That means we made $250. Now, if you were to get in a standard 1.0, that means it's 10 cents per point a pip, we will have $2,500. So based on the amount of money we have in our account, we could leverage a different amount. So say, for example, you have $100 or you have $200 in your account and you caught about 250 points. Now that $200, you made an extra $25. So you went from $200 to $25. So you compound your account. Let me ask you a question. When was the last time the bank gave you that type of leverage or that type of compound? All right? Pretty much never. All right? So definitely, guys, I definitely hope you guys got some value from this. I'm going to be recording a lot more videos, and reach out to me if you have any questions. Comment in the link below. And listen, information is not power. The application of information is power. So get this information and apply it. All right, thank you.